everyone, come step in. She's afraid of you guys. So today is so exciting because I got this from Bird and it's her Chamoy de Tamarindo. Is that how you say it? I don't know guys, I'm sorry. But I'm excited. I'm so excited because I saw the video and then I'm like, what? Because we love tamarind, so why wouldn't we love, this chamoy? So what we have here, oh wait, the gummy bears. Yeah, gummy bears. Because Sofia La Tortilla, on the video with her mom, she said at the end that she wanted to try the gummy bears. So I was like, oh, okay, we need gummy bears. So, she is so funny all the time. Oh, and there's ice packs. Oh my, I'm gonna reuse it. Can you reuse this ice packs? I'm sure you can. I always do. Oh my god. Oh, there's like 3 things in here and lemons. You guys, okay, wait, let me read this. Okay, it says, here's some chamoy for that ass. She's so cute. It broke. Oh, it's okay, try that one way though. Hey Felicia, here is your chamoy de tamarindo made with lots of love from my familia. From my familia to yours. Love Bird, you guys. She's so sweet.
Or like most of them.
Yeah, she's so, oh, okay. So these things busted open, but whatever. But guys, okay, so I'm looking in here and she totally put more lemons. Look at how big.
And it lasted.
Yeah, and it lasted. And you know what? This is gonna go perfect with that thing that I need to use, remember?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Girl, you have no idea. I needed these. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Okay guys, so this is so exciting. It's so heavy. Here, open this and see. So, yeah. She made sure it like crossed the ocean, guys. It's so funny. Okay, so what we have here is like watermelon, apples, pineapple, mango, and gummy bears. Oh shit, I was opening. Oh my gosh. Okay,
I don't know how I just smoked that, but.
This one, guys, it looks, I think this is it. The Chamoy de Tamarindo. Look. Excitement. Dude, I think it's cool to see other people's newspaper. It says Telemundo in here. Dude, we only see that on TV.
Look at you.
Dude, everything is in like Spanish. I don't know. Look, all Spanish. That's cool. I like to see this kind of stuff. A chamoy for that app. Okay. Oh, she gave me 2? Thank you. You're so sweet. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's go put this aside. We will try this one. Okay, guys.
Wait, do it. But is it different or what?
It looks the same. I don't know. Should we? I don't know.
Just try it.
I don't want to. What if I end up wasting it? Okay, I don't know. Okay, so get it then.
Because like, they both have different sharp ones.
Yeah, but maybe.
I don't know, sometimes people. Nah, maybe I think it's the same. Wait.
Yeah, it looks the same.
This one get flakes in them, like red flakes. Yeah? Like you don't see them. No, not them. Right?
Yeah, this is flakes right here.
Yeah. Oh, I'm blind.
I'm not like even tasting it. It's okay. No, yeah. I think she sent just 2. She sent 2. Thank you. Like, what the fuck? That's a lot. Okay, let's try. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna just start spooning, like, you know. Would you like to try?
Good.
What's wrong?
What's
Oh,
wrong?
it's not.
Yeah, froze.
Because he was on the wrong website.
Wait, what?
How's the one? Can you try a gummy bear with this?
What is that?
Tamarind, like the melon. Eat it. He's like, oh. Oh, they can't
Oh.
see him. Oh, it looks sour.
Okay, so I'm not ready. Take him.
Alright.
Do you need more? Here. Let's try. So, is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, with the watermelon. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. This is so good. Mm. Mm. Guys, if you like tamarind, you're gonna love this chamoy. With Bird, bro, you made it fucking bomb. It was my first time tasting it anyway, and I've never heard of this. Mm. Next is the apple. So what do you think with the watermelon?
This is good.
Okay, let's see which is the best fruit with it. Okay, that's weird. This is like, I'm okay, but
It just doesn't taste right. Like, yeah. Because we're so used to eating stuff like sweet
the
stuff
apple is
with fruits. But this is kind of like, it has like a hint of spice to it.
yeah.
So like, kind of a little bit weird. But I mean, it's fine.
Now the mango. It's good. I need more. Let me show you guys.
Just gives me one of the vinegar and soy with this.
But I think it'll be different if it was sweet. But this is sour mango, still not ripe.
Though.
It's so good. Next is the pineapple. Piña. I need more of this. Sorry.
I don't know, it's like a, how do you explain it? It's like a wannabe on the time.
Living more.
Yeah.
Next is the gummy bears. Guys, so far I like the watermelon with the Chamoy de Tamarindo. Sofia la tortilla. I'm trying what you wanted.
This is good.
Yeah, it's like living more. Sophia, that was a good idea. You guys, I think you can make your own. Just follow her recipe. I'll put the link down below. Or like, if you don't know how, probably just like hit her up she'll probably be more than welcome to sell you some of this, you know. But this is good. I could see us putting this on a lot of stuff. Oh, yeah. But thank you so much, Bird. Thank you. Guys, hit her up. Aloha. Aloha. Aloha.